Hello everyone, I am your Motu. Today we are all going to learn a video about vegetables. Welcome everyone. Now let's go to the video. Hi kids, eating too much fast food can lead to diseases like obesity, depression, memory loss. So it is better to avoid fast food as much as possible. Hello kids, eating carrot as they are is very nutritious for the body because of it is high fiber content. It reduces unwanted fat in the body and it contains vitamin A for better eyesight and should be included in the diet at least 3 times. Now we learn about potatoes. Potatoes is lot of benefit for us. Potatoes are high in potassium which is good for our health and potassium cure stomach related problems also. Now we learn about onion. Benefit of onions. Onions are rich in iron and unlike other food, they easily absorb iron in the blood. Adding onion and your daily diet will keep your blood clean. Okay kids, today we learn about vegetables. So you are take more vegetables. Don't take the junk fruits. It's not for good health. So you ask your parent more vegetables and say stay healthy. Thank you so much. Watch again.